Hi everyone, this is Pizza Gay Daniel from mycruisingfamily.com, and I'm coming to you today to show you my carry-on, one of the carry-on bags that we've packed for our upcoming trip to St. Martin. The reason I am showcasing the carry-on is because of what we have fit inside of it by using the Rume GTO, the RUME garment travel organizer. I believe it's pronounced Rumi. So take a look. And so I overstuffed this Rumi, I will be the first to admit. But the point is that it fits easily inside of a carry-on bag. And because when I get to St. Martin, I'm probably not going to stop to film us unpacking. We want to get to the fun as soon as possible. I decided to show you now what it would be like to unpack. So that came out easily from the carry-on bag, and then I will roll it out, and here you have it. Here at the top are shoes that I've packed for my 3-year-old and my 7-year-old boys. I put the shoes in plastic bags and then in the garment travel organizer. It's shower shoes, closed-toe sandals, and swim shoes. And then here I have their swimwear. This is actually, the second compartment is actually all for my 3-year-old. I have his swimwear, his underwear, his pajamas, socks, jeans, and shorts. And then, in the very bottom compartment, I have my 7-year-old's swimwear, underwear, socks, pajamas, jeans, and shorts. Okay, so I'm trying to do this quickly as my 3-year-old is running around the house. He's actually allowed me time to film. I've been talking about the Rumi, and so I wanted you to see it for yourself. I did a recent blog post on the Rumi, and I've also been telling people more about it. So that's one side of it, and the other side is the garment bag portion. We didn't really pack much dress clothes, or really any. You know, the closest to a dress shirt that we have is a polo shirt that's here. But we have shirts and some shorts that were ironed out. We have those in here. 3 pairs of shorts and 7 shirts per child. So that's 3 pairs of shorts and 14 shirts fit in here. Some of the shirts we quadrupled on the hangers and some we tripled, but that's everything. So I just wanted to share that with you as I pack and prepare for this upcoming trip. I hope this